Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out of Highlands Casino today. I'm going to be playing Mr. Martini Jackpots, baby. It's a Castle Hill gaming machine. Does have red screens on it. We got 177 loaded in. We're going to start off on 250 bets. We need a bunch of those jackpot wilds, or 3 bonus symbols, 1 in the second, 1 in the third, and 1 in the fourth reel to trigger a bonus. Got us a $2 hit and a red screen. Give us that bonus. Bunch of the wilds. Keep going. Keep on spinning. Alright, kicked it out at 675. We'll keep spinning. See, that's our bonus. We had 2. We had 1 on the second, 1 on the third. We need a 1 on that fourth reel. There's our wilds. 225 back. $1.50 back on that one. Got $1 back, guys. We're gonna max bet $5 a spin. $13.50. We got $10 back on that one. Give us a bunch of those wilds. Go red. There it is. Got a red spin. Can we get that bonus? Keep going. Keep going. Kicked it out at $26.50. $2.50 back on that one. Love to get that bonus. Oh, we're 1 away, guys. Alright, we're going to change that bet. We're going to go to $2.50 a spin. See if we can trigger us a bonus here. And it's red. We're down about 30 bucks on the machine so far. That paid us $7.75 and kicked it out. Back to max bet.
Attention Highlands Casino guests. Eckford Harrison, please come to the front of the casino. Eckford Harrison, please come to the front of the casino.
We'll play it down to 100. Oh, we're 1 away from that bonus, and look at all them wilds. $3 back on that one. Oh, we're gonna change that bet and go back to $2.50. $6.75 on that one. $3 return. Go red. Last 2 on max bet. Last spin. Oh, we got the bonus, guys. Last spin. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go right. Give us big money. Big money, come on. 94 was the second best. Hey, we'll take it. We'll do a couple backup spins. Alright, thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. We're leaving with a little bit of a profit today. I'll see you soon.